looking through your texts the next morning. When your song comes on as you are trying to leave. When the club closes down. When you get in the shower the next morning and you are still drunk. Finding out who your real allies are at work. Focus up. Making promises you can't keep. When you come home hungry and horny. Remembering your final moments at the club. When your alarm clock is going off and you're hungover. Going to the doctor after partying all night.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.